Today we're going to try a supplemental search strategy for finding more articles on your topic. Citation searching helps you find more articles by choosing a specific article of interest and seeing who has since referenced the article. Using this strategy to supplement keyword searching can lead you to newly published articles. Let's get started. First, go to an article of interest in your search results, then click on the title. This article was published in 2021. Click on the PDF full text link and scroll down to the reference list. Here you can browse references this article cited. All of these articles will be older. To see recent articles who have cited our article of interest, copy and paste the title of the article into Google Scholar. Underneath the title of our search results, click on Cited By. Our new set of search results contains 4 articles that have cited our article, and all of these articles are from 2021 to present. Browse the search results to discover more articles potentially related to your topic. Stay tuned for citation tips and tools in my next video.